Okay, compression, recording, right? Now I've covered a little bit of this in the producer's corner, where I have recording videos, structure, arrangement. That's all under the producer's corner, along with the writing and all that stuff. So I hope you guys are checking that out regularly, because it's this is where I put these videos, Q&A, song of the day, and also the recording stuff. Compression when recording, definitely I use some compression to go in to my DAW. Okay, so of course I compress further after that when arranging and mixing and all that stuff, right? Before the final thing is mixed down to 2 tracks, I definitely compress further the individual tracks. But going into the DAW, I definitely compress. So I have compressors here. I have a couple here, that a couple of new ones that I got recently. I'm always changing around gear. So, if you see, my background changes regularly, because I do like to try different compressors and stuff. And I'm even going to do, like for this one, for example, is the 6176 Universal Audio. It's got the 1176 compressor on it, one section. It's a channel strip, right? It's got the 610 preamp, and then it's got a bit of an EQ section, and it's got the 1176N compressor in sort of a compact mode right here. Half of the strip is a compressor, okay? And on the bottom here, we have the OG, not OG, I mean, it's a reissue, but it is the Universal Audio 1176 compressor. So this unit and this half unit are meant to be the same, okay? So I wanted to do a bit of a shootout, compare the two, see if they are really the same, because I always wondered that. And now that I have both of them here in the house, I wanted to do that. And I'll do that, probably on YouTube. And I might even put it over here in the recording section, just for those of you who are a little more into, the comparison of different compressors. There's different types of compressors. I've had some, there's optical compressors, there's FET compressors, there's VCAs, there's different kinds of compressors out there. That's for sure. There's cheap ones, there's expensive ones, there's a whole range. I've gone through all of them, really, to be honest. Not all of them, but, I've gone through quite a few, right? Because I do believe, I'm a strong believer that the right amount of compression, you don't want to overdo it, that's for sure, but the right amount of compression can really, tighten things up, and really add to a performance, the intimacy of a performance and the impact that a performance has, but you don't want to overdo it going in, because the reason you don't want to overdo it is because you can't undo it. Okay, in your DAW, you could do whatever you want. Doesn't matter. You can undo it easily. You can remove a compressor. You could lower the compression. You could do whatever you want in your DAW. But out here, on your way in, whatever you're doing and whatever settings you've got. That's it. So you're stuck with once you're in the DAW, unless you're going to re-record it later. If you're not happy with it, you would have to re-record it. Okay? So, yeah, we'll leave it at that. All right? Till next time. Take care.